What's happening right now? Does somebody forget to brush their teeth?
I had to go to Target and now we're leaving, so gotta stay hygienic.
Good morning, world. How's it going? Just on leg 3 now. Packing up the bike. Warmer temperatures, way lighter gear, so looking forward to that. We are in Santa Rosa. Actually stayed at a Travelodge, and normally we don't do Travelodge so much. Not that we're snooty, it's just they usually don't look so happy. But this one's newly remodeled. Nice. It's by Wyndham now, so hey, next time don't drive by. Take a look.
We're getting ready to go. Leaving this Santa Rosa. I hate to say hellhole, but you know where we are. It's just really not great. Not much to do. So we're getting out of here.
Clutch in.
You're so welcome. Good?
Hey everybody, made it to just north of Bakersfield. A lot warmer, had to shed some gear. Bike is doing great. We're actually along Highway 33, which kind of runs zigzag parallel with I-5. Much nicer, newly paved, awesome road. We're going to go down and tie in with, I think, the 152, which is going to take us in and around Bakersfield, and then we basically hit the Needles Highway, Route 66, towards Lake Havasu. So look forward to that. All right, see you tomorrow.
Morning! Say good morning.
Good morning, world.
Okay, it's like, what is it? Like almost 7?
Yeah, 7. Sun's just coming up.
We're in Santanella, I think it's called, California.
Across from the vacations.
We're crossing the big old windmill Anderson's pea soup. I don't know what that's, some restaurant. Anyways, get up early, getting out, because we got a long ways to go today. My butt is not ready for it, but here we go anyways. First, we got to clean up this disaster. Get all of our stuff packed up. Look at all this stuff everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, let's go. Oh, my hair looks good too. You're welcome.
Good morning, world. On leg 5 here, Getting up early, about 6-7 o'clock, heading out. It's still a bit dark. The sun's just coming up over there to the east, kind of behind the building this way. So anyways, just taking off and packing up and hitting the road, enjoying some of the cooler temperatures. It's going to be about 81 today, so not too bad, but as we get closer and closer to Arizona, it's supposed to get warmer. So here we go. Look for some more footage. Ciao.
Stop. We're not getting gas because it's like 6:19 here, but oh yeah, it's like the James Dean stop. Killing it. Stop for Chiquita as well.
You filming it though?
Yeah.
There's 2 honeybees in here.